Hey, this is Andy with North Cascades Harley-Davidson, Burlington, Washington. I'm going to show you today the 2019 FLHXS Street Glide Special. In 19, they're giving it the 114 cubic inch engine. Milwaukee-Eight, love it. Great power. You can definitely tell the performance upgrade from the 107. Like the 18, it has the blacked out accents of the other specials. The engine, the exhaust, the frame, all that stuff blacked out. The wheels, headlight trim, all of it blacked out. Love how this looks with this billiard blue color. We've seen it before on our video about the Heritage, the two-tone Heritage, billiard white, billiard blue. But I just love it on the Street Glide Special. Also signature to the special, the stretched saddlebags. And right here, the new BOOM Box GTS. This thing is great. Super fast. They shaved what, like 11, 20 seconds, I don't know, something like that off of it. The load time, you've got radio, you've got navigation, you've got phone access, you can Bluetooth it in, all that kind of stuff, super easy. And also, one of my favorite parts is the trip information. You got your engine, general information, and trip summary. Really cool stuff here. So here you go. 2019 Street Glide Special in Billiard Blue, right here at North Cascades Harley-Davidson.